Waterair Pools presents its 4 new equipment lines to satisfy your expectations even more simply. Waterair Essential is your custom-made Waterair pool, simple and quick to assemble. Benefit from a 20-year warranty and a system proven for over 50 years. Waterair Essential, your long-lasting pool at the fairest price. Waterair ECO.PILOT, a smart solution that manages your pool and saves you money. Treatment is managed automatically by your salt chlorinator and its pH regulation pump. Combined with the EasyCare connected environment, your pool is operated and regulated entirely without your intervention. In addition, you save money on treatment products, water, and your electricity bills. Waterair ECO.PILOT simplifies the maintenance of your pool and frees you from all related commitments. Waterair ECO.WAT is your low-energy swimming pool. The assurance of low electricity consumption and an ultra-quiet pump to ensure continued swimming pleasure. Waterair ECO.WAT, your economical and eco-responsible swimming pool. Waterair Top combines ease of maintenance and energy efficiency while saving you money. Waterair Top, a complete package developed for your well-being. With Waterair Pools, choose the line of equipment that suits your needs and your desires.